The upcoming Google Pixel 10a full specifications have surfaced online ahead of its expected launch next week. The leak gives a clearer picture of the upcoming budget Pixel, highlighting minor refinements rather than major design changes. Here is everything revealed so far about the device and how it differs from its predecessor. According to WinFuture, the Pixel 10a is expected to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2424 by 1080 pixels. The panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, indicating improved durability compared to previous models. The overall design of the Pixel 10a is almost the same as its previous generation. The device is said to be powered by the Google Tensor G4 processor, paired with the Titan M2 security chip. It may arrive with 8GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage options of 128GB and 256GB without microSD expansion. A 5,100 mAh battery is expected, now supporting faster wired charging speeds up to 45 watts, along with wireless charging support. In terms of cameras, the Pixel 10a is tipped to retain a 48-megapixel primary camera with dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization, alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera offering a 120-degree field of view. A 13-megapixel front camera is also expected for selfies and video calls. The Pixel 10a is expected to ship with Android 16 and will receive up to 7 years of software and security updates. Its other features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP68-rated dust and water-resistant body, dual speakers, Bluetooth 6, Wi-Fi 6E, dual SIM support including eSIM, NFC, USB Type-C, satellite emergency calling, and multiple navigation systems such as GPS, Galileo, GLNOS, QZSS, and Beidou. While the overall hardware appears familiar, 5 notable changes separate the Pixel 10a from the Pixel 9a. The new model features tougher Gorilla Glass 7i protection, replacing the older Gorilla Glass 3, and significantly faster 45W wired charging compared to the 23W support on the previous generation. It also introduces a satellite emergency call feature, which was not available before, alongside newer Bluetooth 6 connectivity instead of Bluetooth 5.4. In terms of colors, the latest version comes in obsidian, fog, lavender, and berry, whereas the earlier model was offered in obsidian, porcelain, iris, and peony. Physically, the newer device measures slightly smaller and lighter than the previous one. Pricing is expected to start at €499, with reports indicating a promotional offer where the 256GB version may initially be available at the same price as the base model instead of its regular €599 cost. It will be available for purchase across different markets starting February 18, 2026. That said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.